Welcome everybody, you're watching Mindset Monday. Right, how are you feeling this morning? It's a Monday morning. Have you got the Monday blues? How much is that Monday blues costing your business? Let's think about this. People come into your business, you could have 10 employees, you could have 100 employees, you could have 1,000 employees. If they got that Monday blues, how motivated are they to work for you? How inspired are they? Different sort of word in there, Andy.
Yeah.
You talk about motivation, inspiration all the time.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Yeah, well, the first thing is it's not just Mondays, is it? There are 4 other days of the week as well. This
Exactly.
might impact on.
Yeah.
So, motivation and inspiration. This is my opinion on this. So, motivation is a transient force. It's mostly externally applied, I would suggest, and it comes and goes. And really, it's about away from pain, isn't it? So people tend to be motivated to get away from pain, and then they stop, because that's what most people do. Inspiration is a more permanent force, and it's a towards pleasure. So it should be there on a more permanent basis. And actually, does inspiration cause motivation and more permanent levels of motivation? Well, it theoretically should, shouldn't it? So for me, when we start thinking about this, how inspired are your team to actually pitch up on a Monday morning and work for the common cause because they know what they're causing? And if that the case is, well, I am inspired because I know what my contribution is, then surely that should bring higher levels of motivation. We're talking about a common goal, aren't we?
Interesting, yeah. I mean, this can fit into different areas, really. You're talking about culture as well. How do you shift that culture so people are more influenced by the sort of things that are going on inside the business, heading towards that vision, that mission of the business, and also performance management as well. How can you keep people at their best self? Because when people are at the best, they perform at the best, and that brings results into the business too. So when we start to think about performance management, for me, that motivation is critical. That's a state that needs to be kept up within the company, and not just by the employees, by the business owner as well.
Absolutely.
Because as the business owner becomes more motivated and can start to portray that vision, that's going to influence that inspiration within the company too.
Yeah, very much so. So I'm going to leave you with a question, which is, how motivated are your team right now? And then ask yourself a question before that. What are they inspired by? Are they all on the same page? Are they all heading in the same direction? Is there a clear common goal in the business for them to be inspired by, to lift those levels of motivation? And if the answer to that is no, then maybe it's time to go find one and actually start talking about it.